Good day children, I am Fatima ma'am here. Welcome to summer camp. Today we are going to make such type of finger puppets. Okay, these I have made in advance, and now I am going to show you how to make a frog finger puppet and a tiger finger puppet. So I have made I am going to make the face of a frog, like this. You will take a piece of green color paper from your scrapbook and you are going to draw a face like this, a smiling face. Then we are going to cut white color paper for making its eyes. We are going to make its eyes. Like this. Now I am going to paste these pieces here. Put some Fevicol, paste it here, put some Fevicol here, and then paste it here. So here are the eyes of the froggy, and now I am going to color its eyes. Like this. Then I will cut a piece of paper, and this paper should be as long as your finger. So it should be the length of your finger. Okay, you can see it is as long as my finger and little broad. Now I am going to roll it as much thick as it can fit in my finger, like this. So now I will paste it so that I can wear it in my finger. These are finger puppets. So I'll put some Fevicol in the end of this piece of paper and paste it like this. Leave it for some seconds. It will take a grip. Okay. So till it is stuck, we are going to cut this face, the face of the frog. Okay. So your scissors should be straight, and you are going to move this picture round and round to cut it like this. Okay, don't move this hand, otherwise you will hurt someone. So you can see I am moving my picture. So you have cut the face of a froggy. Here is a cute little green face ready to be stuck in the finger holder. So here your finger holder is ready, and it will fit in this finger only. Now I can paste it here like this. Okay, so I'll put some Fevicol on this finger holder and paste this face of Froggy on this, like this. You can see. Now I can wear it on my finger. Hello, how are you? You are going to celebrate Silver Jubilee? Okay. So here my little Froggy is ready. Now what I am going to do, I will paste a little tongue in on this. So here is the pink color. I am going to tear it like this. So here you have got a roll of a tongue. So I am going to paste it here near his mouth. The Froggy has got a tongue also here. Nice. Now we are going to make a tiger. I have already drawn the face with pencil. You can draw it like this and then color it with sketch pen. You will draw its mouth and then make its mustache. Put some dots here. Then make the ear. Here the face is ready. Now I am going to cut this face. Again you will hold the scissors like this. Don't move your scissors here and there. Okay? You will move this picture round and round like this to cut it. That is the correct way of using the scissors. Whenever you are holding the scissors in your hand, you are not going to move your hand, right hand, with the scissors, because you are going to hurt someone. Okay? So here we cut the ear, and then you can see I am just rotating the picture. I am not rotating my right hand with the scissors. Here your face is ready. Now we are going to make finger holder like this. For this finger, right? So we are going to apply a little bit of Fevicol here, like this, and then hold it for some seconds so that it is pasted, right? And now I am going to color this. This is the body of tiger. You can see I have to color this also. Tigers have got stripes now. So here we go. This is how we are going to color its body stripes. And your finger holder is ready. Now we are going to paste the face of tiger on this finger holder. Here, your tiger puppet is ready. Ready? Hello friends, how are you? I am fine. I am also going to celebrate Silver Jubilee. So, yeah. Now we all our friends are ready for the celebration. Okay, I have to make elephant's tusks also. I have not made it, so I will cut small tusks for elephant. As it is a small face, you can see I have taken a white paper and I will cut small tusks like this. So here are the tusks of elephant. So the elephant has got its tusks also. You can see. Here is the giraffe, and here is the lion, and here is the tiger, and here is the little froggy. Tiger is little. Yes. Hi friends, how are you? We all are ready for the celebration of Silver Jubilee. Yay, yay, yay. APS has got Silver Jubilee, and here we dance, 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 dance. Hey, I am the king of jungle. Yay, 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 I have got the tallest neck. Oh, I am the heaviest of the mammals. You can't beat me. Oh, little froggy, I am. I live in water, and I have also come to celebrate Silver Jubilee. Yay! And tiger, I am the little tiger, the brave tiger of the jungle. So we all are celebrating Silver Jubilee. Yay! Happy Silver Jubilee! Happy Silver Jubilee! Happy Silver Jubilee! So children, these are the puppets of animals. I will show you one more puppet. It is also very interesting. You can see here. First of all, you will take a paper and fold it like this. It will become your finger holder. Then you are going to cut it from the sides. And then I have drawn a face here, a face figure. I will color it with sketch pen. I will draw the face on this piece of page. Here are the eyes. Here is the nose, and here is the lips. So we are going to cut it and paste it. On this. I've pasted the face here. Now you can see you will take a piece of paper and make a shirt like this, as I have drawn with pencil. Okay, you will draw the sleeve. You will make a slant line, make sleeve, and then you will get this picture. After this, you are going to cut this shirt and paste it on this figure. So here I am going to paste it on this. I have to paste this piece of page from here so that it holds it. And now I'm going to paste the shirt. Like this, you can see. And I will open this shirt. This is the collar. Okay, so this is the collar of the shirt which I have opened. And now we are going to make the pant. I will take a piece of page like this, and it should be the size of the shirt only, like this. I will fold it like this and take the size of the shirt only, and then cut it. Cut the extra piece, then double fold it and cut it from here. Then I am going to assemble it in this. Some Fevicol here and place it here. Place it here like this. So here is the pant. And then we are going to make the shoes. So shoes should be as big as this pant only. So we are going to double fold this and cut the shoes. It should be long, round from the front side, and this is how you are going to cut the shoes. It should be round because shoes are round. Now we are going to, one side it should be have semicircle shape. Now we are going to paste these shoes here. The shoes are ready. Shoes are ready. And then we have to make the hands of this man. So for making hands, you will draw like this. Very simple. And now we are going to cut this. Okay. Like this. We are going to cut it like this. We can paste it like this. These are the hands. Okay. Yes. So this is one hand, this is the other hand. We will paste it behind this. Okay. We are pasting it. This is the other hand. The other hand is also ready. Now we have to make the hair. Okay. So to make the hair, we will take black crayon colors and color it. We can just color it like this. Okay. And now we are going to cut the outline and paste it behind on this. This is how we are going to cut the outline. this man has got curly hair, so we are going to place it here like this. So here you can see nice hair na. Yeah, your human puppet is ready. Finger puppet, you can wear it from this side, and here you go. Hey buddy, how are you? What are you people doing nowadays? You're celebrating silver jubilee of your school. Nice school you are studying in. Oh, I am also one of the pass outs of this school, you know. And now I am a successful man. I am doing job. Okay, I have become an officer in the soldier, in army, right? I am serving the country. I am a happy soul. Silver jubilee of the school, my school, army public school. Yay, yay, yay. So children, go make the puppets and enjoy silver jubilee. Give your own dialogues to the puppet and have a nice day. Enjoy your time. God bless you all. Bye.